This is activity 2.3 on page 64, changing alignment and hyphenation. We have my fact sheet formatting still open. Later you will add an image next to the opening paragraph of the document. To provide a straight edge on the right side of the paragraph, you will format the paragraph to justify. You'll also experiment with hyphenation to see if that helps to improve the appearance of the justified paragraph. You'll also center align the title format you've been creating for the Our Mission heading. So the image on page 64 shows you some changes that we will be making. Number 1, apply the justify format to the first paragraph. Position the insertion point in the first paragraph of the document, so you can click anywhere inside of that. Because this is going to be a paragraph format that we're going to be using, we don't necessarily have to select the whole paragraph. Because it's going to be a paragraph format, it's going to apply to the whole format. If you feel more comfortable selecting it, just knowing that it will apply to everything, you can still do that. It's not going to make a difference. So on the Home tab in our paragraph group, we're going to select the Justify button. So that's a keyboard shortcut of Control-J if you wanted to use that. Click to apply. Spacing is added between the words so both the right and left sides of the paragraph line up neatly with the margin. This gives the paragraph a more structural appearance. You may perceive the result better by deselecting the paragraph and turning off the paragraph marks. So I'm just going to undo that real quick. So take a look at how we started. We get that straight line on our left-hand margin, but the right, you can see, looks a little jagged because the spacing in between the words is consistent. And when I turn on that justification, it adds some extra spacing. Now I have the left edge being straight down, and also the right edge is straight down as well. If I turn off my show hide, you can see a little better. So it gives it that block structure. All right, for some publishing purposes, hyphenation is also used in combination with the justify format, since it can help to minimize the amount of white space between words in a block of justified text. So number 2, we're going to turn on hyphenation. We're going to go up to the Layout tab, and in our Page Setup group, we're going to select the hyphenation drop-down, and we're going to put this to Automatic. Words are hyphenated wherever possible based on Word's hyphenation dictionary. Hyphenation eliminates some of the extra white space between words. Some people prefer the extra white space to the many hyphenated words that appear at the end of lines. You can easily turn hyphenation back off if you don't like it. I'm going to turn off my show hide again. So you can see homeowners was hyphenated here in our first paragraph. If I scroll down, improvement was hyphenated. That may be it. Again, I apologize for my dog. Repair was hyphenated as well, and becoming. So you can see it did add some hyphenated words to our document. All right, number 3, we're going to center align a title, position the insertion point somewhere within the text Our Mission, and then on our Home tab in our paragraph group, we're going to select the center justified. And again, it says you can select the entire paragraph when you apply paragraph formatting, but you don't really have to. If the selection or insertion point is anywhere within the paragraph, that paragraph is affected when you apply the paragraph level formatting. So just as I said earlier. All right, so now with our Mission title centered, we can go up to our quick access toolbar and select Save. And we will leave this document open for our next activity.